up, I'll invite from Littlewood Public School, UP. We have with us Mr. Vikrant Sharma. So welcoming you first of all. Uh, I think I'll just start with the last question that I just asked. We'll come back to technology, we'll come back to skills. ऐसे कौन से आई एम श्योर दैट यू विल बी अटेंडिंग अ लॉट ऑफ समिट्स आउट देयर यू नो हर टीचर आज जो यहाँ है आई एम श्योर कि वो बहुत सारे ऐसे इवेंट्स अटेंड करते होंगे बहुत सारे इनिशिएटिव्स देखते होंगे समझते होंगे एनी पर्टिकुलर इनिशिएटिव दैट यू इम्प्लीमेंटेड इन योर स्कूल स्किल से रिलेटेड एंड टेक्नोलॉजी से रिलेटेड
What I believe education to be an endeavor to encourage. With education, if we are ready to encourage children and anyone else, believe me, we can end up rekindling the flame which was never started. Let's take the idea of MS Dhoni. The gentleman was preparing for a football goalkeeper, and an idea was ignited which was never there to become, to play cricket. This is what we are doing with education in a school. Every child, be it a kindergartner or somebody in grade 10, has at least 60 to 70 plants in his own or her own personal garden. Why? Because we've teamed up with Encouragement EduServe, and what they do is they have an event where children send a photograph of themselves planting plants. So that has encouraged children to plant things. Then every school, any event, any function, at the most 6 to 8 children can participate. What we do is, we ask the children to record videos of whatever poem they are doing, they are learning, whatever ideas they have, whatever speech they wish to give. And we share it. So, theoretically, practically every child can participate in any and every program of a school. And coming to project-based learning, problem-solving skills, these events, activities which we are doing, they give our children a chance how to present themselves in ways and manners which are different from others without putting a burden on the school. So there's an organization, Encouragement EduServe, that is organizing events for the children. And it is doing at a global level. So we don't, our teachers' effort is not wasted. Parents are happy when the children get e-certificates and the videos are put up on YouTube or wherever it is done. And this initiative, this partnership is helping us. At the same time, we believe in secularism, something which is a fundamental of all our schools, but we are going away from it. So every festival is celebrated and the importance is done. So what I would say is giving children opportunities to showcase their talent at any stage, any place, helps. This is our thing. We are doing things a little bit where we would like, how we'd like to do, ma'am.
I'm so amazed to see that the questions I was posing yesterday to everyone, I have the answers finally from one school. हम लोग कल बात कर रहे थे that how basic to basic skills हम लोग स्कूल में जाके बहुत कुछ बच्चों को सिखाते हैं हम लोग I just remember you know trigonometry ये वो बहुत कुछ सिखा देंगे I'm sure that everything is applied in life somewhere or the other depending on what fields or you know what careers they're going to choose, but something which is very important is basic life skills. Those are very important when you talk about, you know, planting the plants, growing your food, cooking your food. Very important. And, you know, being a part of the community, celebrating every festival. I think we need a big round of applause, you know, for all the I think something very basic, but something very important that we need to nurture our kids since you know they're in schools and they are very young.
Sorry, I'll just continue with this. We don't bother teaching a children simple interest because the children play Monopoly in school time. Mensuration questions, our children get full marks from grade 3 onward because they actually go around measuring the field. We've got a school petrol pump belonging to the school owners. They actually go and they measure what's the width or the length of the petrol dispenser, of course under supervision, and all the bikes and things are kept separately. So it helps. Our teachers get a chance to have a free sort of a period, hang out, and it is amazing. There's a flower, I'm sorry, there's a flower called primrose. I was taking my upper kindergartners around and I asked them, what is this, what is this? And I said, somebody's going to say flower. And I had the answer, this is a flower. A child said primrose. And I was like, okay, I've learned something. Irony is, I worked in a school called Primrose, and a child in upper kindergarten showed me what a primrose is. Ma'am, it's called Sadabahari Nandidho. Ma'am.
I'm so proud to hear when our students are telling us something, that even we are not aware of. It's simply said, what I am just listening is that there's a quote, which I honestly don't remember properly, but it's something like that when you tell a kid what to do, or you just, use the chalk and the board method, I'm sure they'll remember something. And when you tell them something how to do this and just ask them and communicate with them, they'll remember a little more better. But when you make them learn by doing something, that is when they're going to remember it for life. And I'll just come back to one last question, that I'm sure that there are a lot of, you are doing everything in your school. I was going to talk about including parents or the strategies, or something I want to understand is, I'm sure that you are aware of a lot of challenges in the education industry. Any one particular challenge that you want to point about, and you can present us with the solution कि ये challenge है education industry में, and something I think is the solution for this.
I believe in keeping things simple. And the biggest challenge in education industry, at least at the school level, is we are trying to do a lot of things at our level. I mean, if you look at the food in restaurants, they didn't have kishmish and almonds in every dish. And now even pumpkins got kishmish and kaju in it. That is what is happening with education. We need to put a lot of embellishments. We need to do everything and anything. And it has to be done. Believe me, every school got only 24 hours in the day. What we can do at our level is, we do it, and we try to incorporate at the parents. Every child, every school, every parent has a problem. My child's handwriting is not proper. We send it to the parents. The mother has to see one subject's handwriting. The father has to see the other subject's handwriting. Multiplication tables are the grandparents' responsibility. So, we are having a gala time practically by not doing anything, for bouncing it off to the parents. And believe me, grandparents feel proud. Ajit, I was in Punjab and it was, Ajit, asli munde ko aad da pada aa gaya hai. And now I'm in Afzalgarh, that's a predominantly Muslim-dominated area. आ गया जी लौंडे को 12 का. So grandparents are happy. And you know how grandparents talk. So
I think it's very interesting to, making the family, particularly in today's time when all kids do is just taking to the screens after they go home. It's amazing that you include grandparents and, dada, dadi, nana, nani, mummy, papa, when all of them are a part of nurturing the kid, and that has always been our culture. It has always been there. I think हम जब school में थे, I remember our parents used to be a part of the holidays homework. हम लोग सब projects, charts and models बना. I don't know how much are we doing it nowadays. But मम्मी पापा मार मार के हमें टेबल सिखाते थे. I think it used to be a part of our everyday's life. Can you raise hands? Yes. कितनों को मार पड़ी है पहाड़े याद करने के लिए? इधर बिल्कुल नहीं पड़ी है मार. Anybody? Yes, a lot of them. I think making our family, particularly grandparents, I remember we used to ask our grandparents to be a part of different dance functions and performances. Very important for nurturing the students and giving them a very safe environment.
Actually, we've actually set an upper limit of tables. No child is allowed to be taught a table more than 40. And my grade 2 children have reached till 40 because grandparents are hectic when
Till
they
40 your students are learning tables.
Grade 2, a few of them have got till 40. My upper kindergartner, we have to request the grandparents, bhai sab 20 ho gaye, bahut hai.
Like,
So they are doing it. See, children, sorry for interrupting you,
no, it's okay.
but children are ready to learn. A child.
Sorry for interrupting, but till 20 your upper kindergarten kids know the tables.
On an average. I mean, a few
I'm
are
embarrassed
still...
to say I still don't know them on the camera.
No, I mean, see, not everybody. Somebody is actually just at the table, multiplication table of 2. Somebody is at 22. But we've kept a target around 20 because we are not putting in any effort. Free mein aa raha hai, who cares?
Super. Everyone, let's please join our hands together and thank you so much, Vikrant sir.